Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to watch videos for related products on the Amazon application. So if you have a search for a product, you can get to know to it and its details and features by watching a video. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should search for a product that you are interested in. So go to your home page, tap on the search bar and type in the name of the product that you are looking for. Scroll down. Till you find these videos for this product section. So if you tap on it, you will be able to watch a video about this product. If you scroll down, you can also see more videos for this product and for related products as well down below, as you can see. If you have created a video of this product, if you have purchased this, you can also upload your own video by tapping on this button, and then you will be able to post it here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.